two rabbits over there eating some grass. I guess that's grass they're eating. There's some type of thing growing out over there. Hi, rabbits. They haven't bothered one thing in my garden. There's one right up there. I wonder if the other one will leave now. I mean, go up there with it. There's another one over there. That one took off. I guess it got scared. No, this pie pan, I attached a wire to it and put it on this pole over here. It's right down there. It works. Hey there, Adam. How are you today?
Hi everybody, how's it going?
Oh, pretty good. It's nice out.
Yeah, sure is.
The garden's going crazy, y'all. It's going crazy. The spaghetti squash is growing great on that piece of wood. It was burning it on the driveway. Green beans are looking good too. They're still having the block long garage sales. There's our little rabbit over there. That looks a little younger than the other one. It's gonna go up there where the other one went. So there's a lot of activity going on, and it makes the birds not sing as much. Let's go on up there where the other one went. Just sitting out here drinking my coffee. It's pretty nice, so I don't think it's gonna rain right now anyway, unless something moves in later on. It's gonna be a nice Saturday. Well, folks, I don't want to make this too long. I just wanted you to see how the morning was and check out the rabbits. And the birds have started singing better now. I'm not for sure what we're having for dinner tonight. Something with ground turkey that you could use ground beef for either one, but I have ground turkey. I'm gonna figure out something to make with it today. So I guess I'll go on in for now. I might sit out here for a little while longer. But please press that like button, y'all. Subscribe if you hadn't already. And hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later on today. Bye-bye.